Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the Allweviee outdoor solar battery camera. You can get this product on Amazon for about $130. Check out the link in the description. The camera comes with a bracket, a solar charger including bracket, a mounting kit, a USB charging cable and a user manual. If you insert a micro SD card, you can watch video recordings with the Vico Home app. The camera can be used with a built-in battery, or even better with a solar charger, so you never have to manually recharge it. Using the app and connecting the camera with your Wi-Fi network is very easy. The app has a lot of different settings and shows you if the camera is charging and how much power the rechargeable battery has left. It's very easy to set up the camera and the solar charger thanks to the mounting kit and the brackets. The app is free to use, but if you want to use Smart Push, you have to buy the Awareness subscription plan. I tested the camera for a few days and I think it's a very nice product. I especially enjoy the pan tilt zoom functionality. So if you are looking for a solar-powered outdoor camera with pan tilt zoom, I would recommend the Allweviee Outdoor Solar Battery Camera. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.